Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to clear or how to reset or how to remove the host names using hostnamectl command in CentOS Stream 8 operating system. So first I am logging to terminal. So type hostnamectl. Here you can see the static host name and pretty host name. Both are set here. So we are going to remove these host names using the hostnamectl command now. So log it as a root user. So this is the command hostnamectl set hyphen hostname empty string in the double quotes. Hyphen pretty. So this will remove the pretty host name. Yes, you can see that pretty host name is got removed. Go to settings. You see here, pretty host name is got removed and static host name is reflected. Okay, so let us try to remove the static host name now, and let us see what is going to happen if we remove static host name. So while removing the static host name, make sure that your computer is not in network or your computer should be in standalone mode. See here, after removing the static host name, you can see static host name showing as not applicable and transient host name is changed to localhost. See that host name file also got deleted in /etc directory. So this is very dangerous. Okay, so don't reset or clear static host name while your computer in network. Make sure that your computer is running as standalone or in isolated mode. So what I am doing now, I am putting back the host entries, static host entries, because that only will recover the hostname file. So reboot will not work here. So rebooting will not recover the hostname file. Please put back the static host entry. So optionally you can restart the systemd-hostname services. So this is the way you need to clear or remove or reset the static hostname or pretty hostname in CentOS Stream 8